In this video, I'm going to show you how to add realistic light in Photoshop. First, create a new layer and select the pen tool. In the option bar, choose the shape. Fill color, choose whatever color you like. And the stroke, choose the no stroke. Click on your image and create a shape. Go to the filter and convert for smart filters. Reduce the fill of the shape 1 layer to 0%. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select the inner glow and just copy these settings. And click OK. And this is the result.